Hello everyone. In our previous episode, we explored St Francis Xavier's significant contributions in various regions. Today, we delve into a crucial phase of Xavier's life, his preparation to expand his mission to China, focusing on his plans, the challenges, and the obstacles he faced in making this a reality. Xavier's plans to expand to China. Xavier, driven by his missionary zeal, had a strong desire to expand his mission to China, a vast and influential empire at that time. His ambition was to introduce Christianity to new territories and communities. Xavier prepared diligently, both spiritually and logistically, for the mission to China. His unwavering determination and deep commitment to spread the Christian faith motivated him to take on this new challenge. Cultural and linguistic challenges. The Chinese culture and language presented formidable challenges. Xavier faced linguistic barriers and cultural intricacies that were markedly different from the regions he had previously visited. The language barrier was a significant obstacle in communicating the Christian message effectively. Political and geographical obstacles. Navigating the vast empire of China posed geographical and political challenges. The vastness of the country and its diverse regions, along with the imperial political structure, presented hurdles in reaching and establishing a Christian presence across the land. Resistance and oppression. Xavier encountered resistance and oppression from various quarters. The entrenched religious beliefs, primarily rooted in Confucianism and Taoism, posed challenges to the acceptance of Christianity, making it difficult to make inroads into Chinese society. The absence of established networks and contacts in China hindered Xavier's ability to navigate and establish a foothold in the region. Building relationships and connections in an unfamiliar and distant land proved to be an arduous task. Xavier's resilience and vision. But despite the obstacles, Xavier remained resilient and focused on his vision to bring Christianity to China. His commitment and determination to overcome the challenges were a testament to his unwavering missionary zeal. Legacy of Xavier's vision for China. While Xavier's direct mission to China was not realized during his lifetime, his plans and preparation laid the groundwork for future endeavors. His vision of expanding the Christian mission to China became an inspiration for subsequent missionaries and Christian endeavors in the country. St. Francis Xavier's preparations for China marked a significant phase in his mission work. Despite the challenges and obstacles he faced, his unwavering determination and vision laid the groundwork for future Christian missions to China, leaving a lasting legacy that continued beyond his lifetime. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's visionary plans for China exemplify his enduring commitment to expanding the Christian faith and establishing the presence in new and challenging territories.